Welcome to Bangladesh, a land of beauty, resilience, and vibrant culture.
Located in South Asia, Bangladesh is a country shaped by water. Its hundreds of rivers nourish the land and the lives of over 17 million people.
The capital, Dhaka, is one of the fastest growing cities in the world, alive with energy, tradition, and innovation.
To the south lies the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest on Earth. It's home to rare wildlife, including the Royal Bengal Tiger.
In rural areas, people live close to the land. Agriculture, especially rice and jute, is the backbone of the economy. Bangladesh is rich in culture, from colorful festivals like Pohela Boishakh to delicious street food and handcrafted textiles. Every moment tells a story.
The country is also looking forward. Bangladesh is a major player